Pry it out. There we go. Get a small. They're not as magnetic as they should be. Like this is magnetic. It just doesn't pull. Cherry just bought an equity. Got bought by an equity firm. I mean, okay, that doesn't mean anything. My eyes are cucked. I'm sorry. My apologies for cucking your eyes. Yeah, like my number one advice to anybody that's new in the hobby is just wait. Wait. Look around. Observe. Observe. And learn. There we go. What's cuffed builds? Well, this is my Jane CE, and we're replacing it with that build that we just built. All right, let's get the gummy snake on it. The gummy snake is very important. And around we go. What does the gummy do? The gummy replaces the screws. So instead of screwing the plate just gently gets sandwiched into place. I feel like I did the gummy wrong. I should have checked how I did it on the other one. Gummy below USB? I'm pretty sure gummy is supposed to go above USB. No? No, 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 no. Gummy below USB? Gummy through the USB? Okay, so above. Yeah, I was right. Push it in more. Yeah, that's what she said. After she said, are you in yet? There we go. We are good. Everybody happy? Is everybody happy? I'm glad everybody is happy. Okay. How are them whamming in Dubai? I mean, 90-something% of the people that live here are expats, so they're like the women everywhere else in the world. All right, nice. Let's close it up. What kind of mounting is this? This is O-ring gasket gummy, or O-ring gummy snake, or O-ring, or OG gasket. There's a lot of ways to call it what it is. I would call it like an OG gummy snake. Neck rope mounting, yes. Full O-ring gasket. Yeah, that also works. But like, if I say OG gasket, you know what I'm talking about. Whereas if you say like full O-ring gasket, that can be interpreted. But like OG gummy, there's only one OG gummy. What can I redeem my Simon coins for? All of the things. You can do exclamation kiss for a Gateron kiss. You can do exclamation. You can do so many things. All right, let's make sure the alignment is good. Okay, alignment is good. But no more yell. I disabled yell for today because I really just don't want to yell. I'll be straight with you guys. Exclamation points will tell you how many Simon coin you have. There are many things you can do with Simon coin. How to use, you can do exclamation redeem and then the thing you want to redeem. And if you don't know what you want to redeem, you do exclamation store and it'll tell you the available things for you to redeem. All right, let's get this in there. Lovely. There's some spills, some marks that may or may not be fluids. I want a TKO with Simon coin. I'm sorry, buddy. Your poor Jane. Jane is fine, dude. Listen, it's just fingerprints. Whatever, who cares? Like, I'll clean it. The fingerprints will go away. It's Coom. Yes, on the inside of the Jane. I mean, where else would it be? You should clean your weight. It's fine. No more screaming into keyboard. I disabled it for today because I just don't want to scream at anything. My throat is killing me. It's disabled just for today. And also, like, I wanted to do like a wholesome scream where a wholesome scream, yes. A wholesome stream where I don't yell at anything. Yeah, you fucked up. You fucked up. You could scream with your butt like Ace Ventura. Yes, but then he still screams with his mouth as well. No, guys, I don't have Rona. Stop memeing. My throat is sore, that's all. My temperature is normal. I don't have any stomach involvement. I don't have a cough. I don't have difficulty breathing. My PP isn't engorged, etc., etc. All the usual symptoms I do not have. All right, let's go. Hey, it looks good. The only problem is like, oh my god, it sounds Korean as fuck. God damn, this sounds Korean. Alright, you guys want to hear how terrible this sounds? I mean, I say terrible, but like, a lot of people like this sound profile. I personally don't. It's not for me. Also, keep in mind, this is like bone stock Gateron clears. So like, can you type in Korean? Yes. All right, is music going? Yes, it is. Let's just mute the music. There we go. Alrighty, let us test the sound. Alrighty, you guys ready? Can we get a Korean typing test? Yes.